Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this animated reindeer from Dress to Impress. This is a really cute, actually a super cute item, and it's animated, and you can get it for free by doing this quest. So first of all, you're going to go to chapter 2 of the Dress to Impress winter quest, and then you're going to go to the reindeer race, and through the halfway mark over here, you'll see on the left there's a blue token and you'll get a badge. And then I don't know if this is necessary. You'll just get another special badge, but I went to chapter 3 and I went to the boss fight, and on the second boss fight there's another token in this area right here. And then once you're done, you're just going to head over back to Dress to Impress. Don't go to free play first, just go to a normal server, go to one of the changing rooms, and you'll see a cute animated reindeer. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.